Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best torque wrench for motorcycles, selected for their torque control, preventing damage while delivering reliable results during maintenance, repairs, and upgrades. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. ONEVAN 4000W Torque Wrench. The ONEVAN 4000W torque wrench is a powerful, heavy-duty impact wrench designed for professional and demanding users. With an impressive maximum torque of 3,500 Nm and a high-performance 4000W brushless motor, this tool delivers exceptional power for loosening stubborn bolts, automotive repairs, construction work, and industrial applications. The brushless motor design reduces friction and heat, resulting in longer tool life, improved efficiency, and minimal maintenance compared to traditional brushed motors. Additionally, the tungsten steel shaft enhances durability, making it suitable for long-term heavy-duty use. One of the standout features of this model is its adjustable 4-speed forward and reverse gear system, allowing users to control torque output based on the task. Whether you're working on delicate bolts or heavy machinery, this flexibility makes the wrench highly versatile. The 0 to 8,000 RPM idle speed and 0 to 9,000 IPM impact frequency ensure fast and efficient performance, significantly reducing working time. The built-in LED work light is another practical addition, especially for working in dark or confined spaces.
Number 2. Makita 2100N Torque Wrench. The Makita 2100N torque wrench is a reliable cordless impact wrench designed for home users, mechanics, and professionals who require a balance between power and portability. Featuring a brushless motor and cordless 18-volt battery compatibility, this tool provides efficient performance with improved battery life and reduced maintenance. The brushless motor technology also helps minimize heat buildup and increases overall durability. Torque of 1,000 Nm and a no-load speed of 1,600 RPM, the Makita 2100N is suitable for most automotive repairs, tire changes, and general maintenance tasks. While it may not match ultra-high torque industrial models, it delivers more than enough power for everyday applications. The cordless design allows users to work in tight or remote areas without worrying about power outlets or extension cords. Another advantage of this tool is its lightweight and ergonomic design. The comfortable grip reduces hand fatigue during extended use, making it ideal for DIY users and mechanics. The forward and reverse functionality ensures easy tightening and loosening of bolts, while the brushless motor enhances performance efficiency.
Number 3. SEESII Cordless Torque Wrench. The SEESII Cordless Torque Wrench delivers a strong balance between power, versatility, and value. Featuring a 1,400 Nm torque output and brushless motor technology, this impact wrench is capable of handling automotive repairs, furniture assembly, and medium-duty industrial tasks. The brushless motor ensures longer tool life, better efficiency, and reduced wear compared to traditional motors. One of the major highlights of this model is the included 2x4000 mAh batteries with a fast charger. This ensures longer working time and minimal downtime, which is particularly useful for professionals and heavy users. The cordless design also improves mobility, allowing users to work anywhere without limitations. The 3-speed adjustment, 0 to 1800, 2600, or 3500 RPM, adds flexibility for different working conditions. Users can choose lower speeds for precision tasks and higher speeds for stubborn bolts and heavy-duty work. The forward and reverse function also improves usability when loosening tires, bolts, and fasteners. Another strong feature is the built-in LED light, which helps users work in dark or tight spaces.
Number 4. DeWALT 2000 Nm Torque Wrench. The DeWALT 2000 Nm torque wrench is a powerful cordless impact wrench designed for heavy-duty performance and professional use. With its 2,000 Nm torque output and brushless motor, this tool delivers reliable power for automotive repair, construction work, and industrial maintenance. The brushless motor improves efficiency, extends tool life, and reduces maintenance requirements. This model supports 18-volt and 20-volt battery systems, making it flexible for users already invested in DeWALT tools. The cordless design improves portability and allows work in remote or tight locations without needing external power sources. The ergonomic design and balanced weight distribution help reduce fatigue during extended use. The forward and reverse switch allows quick tightening and loosening, making it ideal for tire removal, machinery maintenance, and heavy bolts.
The durable construction also ensures long-term reliability, even under demanding conditions. Number 5. ONEVAN 8000 RPM 2800 Nm Torque Wrench. The ONEVAN 8000 RPM torque wrench is a powerful and versatile impact wrench designed for heavy-duty applications. With a maximum torque of 2800 Nm and 0 to 8000 RPM speed, this tool delivers strong performance for automotive repairs, construction work, and maintenance tasks. The brushless motor ensures longer lifespan, reduced friction, and improved efficiency. One of these standout features is its compatibility with 18V and 21V batteries, offering flexibility for users who already own compatible batteries. The 3 forward gears and 2 reverse gears provide better torque control for various applications. The reverse auto-stop function adds safety and precision during bolt removal. The tungsten steel shaft increases durability and wear resistance, making this tool suitable for demanding environments. The built-in LED work light improves visibility in dark areas, while the ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during extended use. And that wraps up the top 5 best torque wrench for motorcycles. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.